Hey, Realtors, I'm Tanita Bailey with Capital City Mortgage and Construction. Have you ever just walked into one of your clients' home and thought, man, if I could just renovate this kitchen, if I could renovate this bathroom, we could get so much more money for this house if the owner would just allow me to renovate? Well, a lot of times realtors, they just simply don't have the money to renovate the property or they want to just sell it as is. Well, I've got some great news for you. I want to share it with you now and allow you to be able to help that client renovate that home, kitchen, bath, whatever needs to happen so that they can get that home sold. We offer renovation loans up to $100,000. That's right, I said $100,000. So if you have a client that you know, if the home was renovated, you could sell it for way much more than what they're asking for, don't hesitate to give us a call. I'm here to help you help your client sell their home. Thank you.